Hey guys, how's it going? Chef Tim here. Today is actually a very special video that we're doing. I've been chosen from hundreds of thousands of chefs to participate in the Bayou to the Bay contest with none other than a fantastic pasta company, Barilla. So today is going to be a very special day. I have a lot of stuff happening here. And see here, we're actually ready to go. We're all set, we're all prepped to show you guys how I get down with Chef Tim. Because as you know, I'm Chef Tim, the universal phenomenon, neighborhood chef. And this is Whip It Up with Chef Tim, Bayou to Bay style, featuring Barilla. So, I have chosen to use the Orchette pasta from the Collision collection, which is the artisanal collection from Barilla. What we're doing today, I'm glad you asked. As you can see over here, we have catfish, we have lobster tail, onion, Thai chilies, mandarin oranges, garlic, a seasoned flour, potatoes, an egg wash, and spices and seasonings, and all these great things. We're doing a catfish po' boy on a baguette with a roasted garlic, compound butter, and then we're gonna top that off with a nice lobster tail mac and cheese. That's right. We're gonna get a nice lobster tail, creamy, gooey goodness, maybe with a little bit of chicken stock and garlic and everything else like that. Guys, it's gonna be great. And so what we're gonna do now is get everything fired up, ready to go. Start frying up some fish. Get my lobster tail poached in some Thai chilies, orange and garlic, a little bit of chicken stock in that, and we're gonna make things decadent, flavorful, to show you guys how I do Bayou to the Bay. Alright, so first we're gonna do now is we're gonna start on our poach for our lobster tail. Now I decided to go a little bit differently than regular poaches. I'm gonna do a nice mandarin orange on my lobster tail poach. Okay? And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Thai chili in there. Give it that little bit of kick to it, that Bayou and Haitian kick. So, well, everything's good. Then I'm gonna cut up some garlic and put it in the water. Well, I'm gonna leave it whole actually like that. Off the ends, and get nice and flavorful. The whole bouquet of fruit flavors. This is ready to go. Put some of the water here. Getting this cracking for it. Okay. Back to the cutting board. And get going for my mise en place for the rest of the meal. So what I've done here is I kind of did a ramped up version of a Holy Trinity, which is a Cajun mirepoix with celery, onions, red, orange, and green bell peppers as well. So I'm going to just saute this up in a little bit of butter, get that going, flavor that up for our lobster mac and cheese that we're doing. And then I also cut up some fresh russet potatoes here to make some fresh deep fried french fries. And we're going to just start doing things like putting together our catfish for our po' boy. My poaching water is ready over here with the Thai chilies, garlic, and mandarin orange. My pasta water is getting to the point where we can add the pasta in, and we're just going to start putting it together. So what I'm doing right now is do about a couple tablespoons of butter here, because It's southern, you know. We don't count calories out there. So that's going right there for the Holy Trinity. And now, lobster tail. Lobster! Yeah, there you go. So we're gonna place this right there in that water. Give it a light poach. I'm not gonna cook it too much after that. Gonna crank up the heat. And then while that butter's getting ready to get hot for my mirepoix, which I'm gonna saute up. Just gonna move it around in there. Get the volume on this heat here for this pasta water, which I've already salted with about 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt. And so we're salted. All right. So that's going. That's getting ready to go. Get the pasta here, and then once we cook this pasta off and do the mirepoix, we're going to then start putting together our cheese sauce, which I'm doing with a vegan mozzarella, as well as a extra sharp cheddar, some sour cream, some heavy whipping cream, as well as some herb butter, and also some chicken stock. Okay. So when my lobster tail is done poaching, I'm not going to go too long. You want to get that little richness there. You don't want to go too much past that. So I'm doing about another 30 seconds because it's going to be a very light poach. Because remember, I'm also going to be sauteing up and putting it together with the mac and cheese as well. So it's going to continue to cook in there. And you don't want to overcook your lobster because then it'll get nice and rubbery. So we'll pull this out. Turn this off. Alright, so what we're going to do now is open up our lobster tail here. There you go. Alright. And that's how you get all the meat out of it. So what I'm going to do here, look almost right behind each of these little lines right there. So we're going to cut it. Get a good nice size to it. So. See, it's still moist, lustrous, not overcooked. I'm gonna give it a light saute. And I'm gonna add this to our mac and cheese. So I've done a little dicing up to the lobster tail here. I'm gonna add it to this butter over here. Give it a quick saute, nothing major. Add a little bit of Creole seasoning, a little bit of the garlic powder. And give it a little kick with the cayenne. That's it. That's your major, folks. So, I'm not going to add it to the cheese sauce. It's going to be a topping for this, for your mac and cheese fries. You're going to get a lot of lobster. Okay, a lot of lobster. Come in like that right now, but you want some. Put this aside. And cascade in. So now we're getting our baguettes ready to get toasted up. We're about ready to get things going, guys. Okay? Look at that. Beautiful French baguette here. So that's while those are going, time to get my fries going, guys. So, get my fries basket here. This way. So, get some fries here. Keep them bad boys going. This is my seasoned flour that I did. This is with a buttermilk, cornmeal mixture, along with a cup of all-purpose flour, some seasonings, and I also did some Creole seasonings and salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of this garlic powder here. Give it that kick, because you guys all know that I really love my garlic powder. That's ready to go. Set that to the side. And what I did for my egg wash here is I did this with actually 2 eggs, half a cup of orange juice, and about a half a cup of water, just to give it a little punch to it, a little bit of acidity to help really bond to that catfish. So we're just going to start dipping that bad boy right there. Put it over here. Okay. Look at that. As you see, I have my oil set to 375 to cook off and give a nice crispness to the catfish there. But you don't want your catfish soft, you want it hard and a nice crisp to it, so therefore it goes with the baguette well. So, fries are done. So I have to last them up with the salt, pepper, back to pepper, salt, pepper. Really garlic right here. And ding dong, the witch is dead. Now, my favorite part of the day. Plate up time. Okay, first we're gonna do our fries. My please get the picture of this so I can submit it for my contest.
Wait.
And I'm gonna go over here to my mac and cheese. What I did here is I took some Miracle. You can take a nice mayo, vegan mayo if you're doing a vegan style. A little bit of Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. Give it a real Cajun rustic feel to it. Okay. It is finished. You guys, this has been something that has been a pleasure of mine to do for Barilla, I present to you my lobster mac and cheese fries and catfish po' boys. Because when you tell me to do a recipe, I don't just do what you tell me. I elevate it and I make it mine. So guys, please, enjoy this for me. Okay? This has been Chef Tim. Thank you so much for tuning in. Whip it up, Chef Tim.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to all our social media networks here, CTJ Film. Whip it up.